So I have some Korean short ribs, and when I go eat Korean barbecue, they have like a cucumber salad. So I'm going to try to make that right now. And shout out to Stay Another Day with the hoodie. Stay another day. 99 reasons you should stay another day. We're just gonna wash off. All right. Take off the ends. And we're just gonna cut the cucumbers up into some nice slices like this, like that thick, like a couple centimeters thick. We're gonna sprinkle some salt on here to bring out the moisture. And we're gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes. So for your cucumbers, they've been sitting for about 10 minutes, so all the moisture should be out. We are going to add them to a bowl. So we're gonna add some soy sauce. On the left, but some sesame oil, but it's a sesame chili oil. So we're gonna add a little bit of vinegar, brown sugar, some garlic powder, because I'm all out of garlic. I'm going to add in a little bit more sesame oil. I don't know where my top is at, so we're gonna use this top because this fits. And we're just gonna, oh no, I didn't know it was that. Okay, I'm just gonna, yep, then looking good. So the cucumber salad. It's refreshing. Oh my gosh, I like that. It's like the sesame oil and the vinegar with the brown sugar brings it all out. Now let's try some of that. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's hot. Hot. Gotta try the Korean rib with the rye. Just like every other one. It's flavorful though. Not bad though. But I do like the cucumber. It look good. Tastes good too. Hope you guys liked the video. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. About to go finish this. Fire out. Look at that.